Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Elden Ring not launching. So there may be various reasons why that is. For example, your game files are corrupt, or maybe you don't have enough space on your drive. It may be different reasons, but in general guys, in order to fix this issue you just need to go to the right, to the left, where you have your Elden Ring. And as you can see, my game is actually installed because I'm playing it, actively playing it. And then you go right click, you go manage, and you go browse local files, and you go properties. After that guys, you go to installed files, and you need to press on the verify integrity of game files. So what this is going to do is going to scan the entire folder and each and every single file of your game inside of the folder of your game. If there's any integrity problems, or maybe some files are missing, or some files are corrupt, or maybe you have deleted some of the files without even knowing it, this will basically scan your entire game and re-download those corrupt or missing files, and this way you can actually fix, sorry about that, you can actually fix the issue of Elden Ring not launching. Also guys, which is very important, you need to go to the store page, and you need to make sure to understand that there are minimum requirements for this game. So if you have a potato PC, this might be the reason why the game is not launching. So as you can see, system requirements, make sure to view them and understand which kind of hardware you need to have to play this game, right? So if you have a potato PC back from the days, this may be a reason as well. If you don't have enough, for example, video memory, it's not going to start, it's not going to work. So as you can see, if you want to play on the minimum settings, you need a graphics card that has at least 3 GB of memory. And if you're using the red card, which is the AMD, at least 4 GB of VRAM, of video memory. So this is very important. And of course, it's recommended to use SSD instead of the HDD. And also pay attention to the version of your OS, okay? So it's going to be either Windows 10 or 11. I recommend 10, it's way more stable. And yeah, that's pretty much how you fix those issues, guys. If you encounter them, these are the most popular and common ways to fix them. So guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy the video, enjoy Elden Ring. Absolutely fantastic game. Like the video and subscribe. And I will see you very soon, guys.